The LG V20 user, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone 11 Pro for Use Mobile. So the iPhone 11 Pro is now available at Use Mobile. It's available in 3 storage options: 64 gigs, 256 gigs, and 512 gigs. It's available in full color suite, guys. You see right here. It's kind of out of stock right now. It's available in space gray here, silver, midnight green, gold there. It's currently not in stock, so out of stock, but sucks. Is what they're saying. It's $899.99. They can have $100 off, or $999.99. That's the 64 gig, 2 to 6 gig, $1049.99, or $1149.99. About 12 gig, $1249.99, or $1349.99. Currently out of stock on all stores out in this well, so yeah, so this is the iPhone 11 Pro. Yeah, so the not that's how I received it. Like background there, you have your 3D camera earpiece. Power button on the right side, left side, you have your volume keys and your sound switcher. Back of the iPhone 11 Pro, you guys see the good camera system. You guys have the ultra wide camera, wide angle camera, and telephoto camera in the back, and the camera flash right here, and Apple over in the back. Left side, you have volume keys and your sound switcher. Back in front there, you guys have your cricket camera system there. So that what it looks like on the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro right here. This is the 11 Pro Max right here. So, yeah. There it is in all the scores. So yeah. So it says to shoot amazing videos and photos with the ultra wide and telephoto cameras. Capture your best OLED photos with night mode. Watch HDR movies and shows on the Super Retina XDR display. The brightest iPhone display yet. Experience unprecedented performance with 818 Bionic for gaming, augmented reality, and photography, and get all-day battery life and a new level of water resistance, all in the first iPhone powerful enough to be called Pro. So yeah, the iPhone 11 Pro has a 5.8-inch display there. This is OLED display, I believe. OLED here. That's nice. And you have a triple camera system in the back, all 12 megapixels. 25 hours of talk time, 4K videos, and iOS 13, of course. Of course, how it works, guys. Y'all guys know, order the thing you want, wait for the thing to arrive. Click on that contract plan and activate it tomorrow. It says pro camera, pro display, pro performance, and obsession over detail. 4 new textured matte glass finishes, 5.8-inch, 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display, and the toughest glass in a smartphone, right? 3 cameras that feel like one. Like I said, you have 2 cameras in the back. You have an ultra wide camera. You have an ultra wide lens, a wide angle lens, and a telephoto lens in the back. So that's really cool. The highest quality video in a smartphone. Shoot 4K videos with extended dynamic range at 60 frames per second. Capture 4 times more scene and edit with new tools like rotate, crop, and filter. You do have night mode, of course, high-tech mid slow light, from dimly lit restaurants to sunsets on the beach. The new night mode delivers natural low light shots automatically there. Lots more power, lots more battery life. Get up to 5 more hours of battery life with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and up to 4 with the iPhone 11 Pro. Fast charge with the included 18-watt adapter and 813 Bionic with neutral engine, the fastest chip in a smartphone. So you do have the 18-watt charger included with the iPhone 11, so with the iPhone 11 Pro. So that's really good. Privacy is built in. Face ID is the most secure facial authentication in the smartphone, and it doesn't store or save further because with the iPhone, your privacy comes first. So that's nice. You do get Apple TV plus included for 1 year when you guys buy an iPhone. So that's really cool. It says watch original shows and movies on the Apple TV app coming November 1st. So stay tuned for that if you guys are interested. You also have AirPods as well, wireless to the folders. AirPods deliver unparalleled listening time and sound quality, voice activated Siri access, and a wireless charging case. Also have Apple Care Plus, which you do have to pay extra for that. So yes, it's one-stop support from Apple experts. Apple Care Plus provides extended repair coverage and 24/7 priority support from the people who know iPhone best. Y'all guys can get y'all's iPhone 11 processors from Amazon, so check it out. And y'all guys can compare the 3 iPhones side by side, so that's really cool. Find the iPhone that's right for you. Especially this iPhone 11 Pro. Has a built-in rechargeable battery, 24-hour talk time. Its memory is 64 gigs, 256 or 512 gigs, 818 bionic, iOS 13, a triple camera system on back, which is a 12 megapixel, ultra wide 12 megapixel wide angle, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera lenses on back. Your ultra wide lens is f2.4 aperture and 120-degree field of view. Wide angle camera is f1.8 aperture, and the telephoto camera is f2.0 aperture. Right? You have a 5.8-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display there. Your dimensions are 5.67 inches height, 2.81 inches width, and 2.32 inches depth. The iPhone 11 Pro weighs 6.63 ounces. Here are your connectivity options for iPhone 11 Pro. Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Lightning connected, NFC with reader mode. So that's really nice. And what you guys get included in the box is your standard iPhone stuff. So you guys get the iPhone 11 Pro with iOS 13, USB-C to Lightning cable. Y'all guys get your books and stuff in there. Y'all guys also get AirPods with Lightning connected and 18-watt USB-C power adapter. If you guys need help with your iPhone 11 Pro, please know it's here to help you out with that with the rest support. So if you guys need to learn how to set up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or anything like that, the rest support can help you out with that. So check it out. If you guys need help with if you guys need help with your iPhone 11 Pro, the rest support can help you out with that. So check it out if you guys need help. So there you guys have it. iPhone 11 Pro now available at Boost Mobile. It's currently not available right now. It is out of stock right now. Also, Double's are out of stock. All current offers are out of stock. So you guys should double check them back in stock. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys have listened out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.